Hello viewer, here we will generate some designs there. We will make a selection around it. Made a new layer, change the pattern of the new layer, then again create further one there in it. Let's generate the further design within the design. It's the further one. We will pick up that one into that. So there we have to make further selection. That it is. Again make the selection there. So here is the more design we are going to create. There we have to make that shape again, but change the pattern for it.